Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gretchen, and in this video I'm sharing with you guys some undecorating of my kids' bedrooms. And as I went along, I did some decluttering in my son's room. There was just a lot going on in there that I needed to fix up in the closet, and in order to do so, I needed to get that decluttered. I needed to get his drawers decluttered. If you're anything like me, as soon as the new year hits, you are like in decluttering and organization mode. It is just getting a fresh start for your home, getting organized, getting things out of the house. So much new stuff has come in, and it is so important to just free up the space in your home a little bit, free up that mental space by getting rid of some things. And I just feel like it feels so good to get the house back in order, especially starting off the year. I find that that is just the best time to start organizing your home. So if you are looking for some decluttering motivation, if you are looking for some cleaning motivation, I hope you find it here today. Now that it's a new year, I'm so excited to be sharing some new content with you guys. So if you're new here, let me just take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Gretchen. I am a full-time working mama. I work out of the house. I have two beautiful kids. My daughter is 6 and my son is 3. And I have been working out of the house now for 5 years. And I get asked all the time, how in the world do you do it? How do you work full-time and manage your family and keep your home and have a social life? Guys, it is not easy. As a mom, we are busy all the time, so I do what I can when I can, and I love cleaning and I love organizing, so I love to share that with you guys and share any tips that I may have or any encouragement that I may have for you as busy moms. And I love that through this channel and through YouTube that we can encourage each other and just be a community that lifts each other up, because it is not easy as women, as moms. We have so much on our plate, and I'm just thankful for the community of women that I have gotten to know through here. So if you're brand new to my channel, I'm so glad that you've stopped by. I'm so glad that you are here. And I hope that you'll decide to stick around and become a part of this wonderful community that I've created. Also, if you are new to my channel, or if you've been here for a while and you're not following me on Instagram, go look for me over there at Beautiful Gretchen. I would love to have you there. I am on there as often as I can be. Working full-time, it's not easy to be on Instagram all the time, but I try to update it as often as I can, especially through my stories. So I would love to connect with you there.
Doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you.
So the drawer that I'm going through here is the very bottom drawer, is usually where I put all of the clothes that doesn't fit my son anymore, or some of the clothes that may have been too big and I'm just moving things around. I've got a bag there and just moving anything that doesn't fit him into the bag, getting it out of the way, and keeping only what fits him. Again, same thing in the closet. I did do this before Christmas, so there wasn't too much that I had to take out in here. And you saw that I already decluttered the closet, the rest of the closet. There was so many toys and things that he wasn't using, and just things that were piling up in there. So I'm hoping that for this year I can figure out some better storage for this closet. There's absolutely no storage in here. It is just a lot of wasted space. Those builder grade wire shelving, it just drives me nuts, because you can't put anything anywhere and there's just so much dead space. Look at that. So hopefully this year I can find a closet solution for in here, and when I do, I will be sharing that with you guys.
I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the
So moving on into my daughter's room, I had to get her tree down and that garland that I have of ornaments around her window. So I had to get all that done and just cleaned up a little bit in here. As far as the toy situation in here, it is not too bad, but I would like to get some cube shelving in here, hopefully sometime soon, so that I can start organizing all her Barbies and things like that. There's a lot of stuff still on the floor that I would like to get up off the floor. So again, a lot of organization things coming your way this year. So if you are looking for some motivation for organizing for 2020, I hope that you'll consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and join me for those upcoming videos.
Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. Know if you can understand how I feel, 'cause you make my head. I wanna be with you, wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. Know if you can understand how I feel, 'cause you make my head. I wanna be with you. So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know.
You can see here I am putting the Christmas books back on the top shelf and the regular books back down on the bottom, but she's accumulated so many Christmas books over the years that I think I'm going to start storing them with the Christmas stuff, just because it's taking up so much space on that top shelf. And here is the finished result. No more tree, all the Christmas decor is gone, and everything is nice and cleaned up for as long as it lasts. Not very long usually. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button, because I would love to have you here for the new year, and I'm excited to see this channel grow, so I would love for you to be a part of that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker.